Hello and welcome. This is Chapter 7 of our series, How Your Mind Can Heal Your Body. Today we are talking about a very powerful truth. The tendency of the subconscious is always lifeward. Before we begin, I invite you to stay with me until the end of this video, because the insights you are going to hear can truly change how you see yourself in your future. And if you have not yet subscribed to Page's Power, make sure to do so, because we are on a journey of self-healing, growth, and inner strength together. Now let us begin. The subconscious mind has a natural direction. That direction is always towards life, health, growth, and survival. Just like a seed knows how to push itself towards sunlight, and just like a cut on your skin knows how to heal without your conscious effort, your subconscious mind is always working to keep you alive, to restore balance, and to guide you toward healing. This truth is very encouraging. It means you are not working against life. Life is working for you. Inside your mind and body, forces are moving towards strength, towards harmony, and towards recovery. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine a small child learning to walk. The child falls many times, yet the inner tendency to stand, to balance, and to walk forward keeps pushing the child again and again until walking becomes natural. That is lifeward tendency. Or think of a tree. Even if a heavy stone is placed on it, the plant will still find a way to bend, to curve, and to move toward light. That is what your subconscious does for you. No matter what obstacle, stress, or fear comes, deep within you there is a force that keeps moving you toward healing and life. But here is the key. You must cooperate with this lifeward movement. When you fill your conscious mind with fear, doubt, or hopelessness, you block and resist the natural flow. But when you choose thoughts of faith, hope, love, and courage, you give strength to this inner healing power. So how can we practice this every day? Here are some simple techniques. First, whenever you feel weak or discouraged, remind yourself, my subconscious mind is always on my side. It is moving me towards health and strength. Repeat this with faith and conviction. Second, when you face a problem, instead of thinking of failure, think of solutions. Say to yourself, there is always a way out. Life is guiding me to the answer. This allows your subconscious to bring new ideas and strength. Third, before you sleep at night, affirm gently, tomorrow I will wake up stronger, healthier, and happier. Your subconscious accepts these words and begins to work on them while you sleep. Fourth, notice the examples of healing and growth around you. A wound closing, plants growing, seasons changing. All these remind you that life is always moving forward. You are part of that same life. Dear listener, no matter what your past has been, no matter how many failures or difficulties you faced, inside you is the same lifeward tendency. You were created to rise, to heal, and to grow. So lift your self-esteem right now. Say to yourself, I am not a mistake. I am part of life. I am designed to heal, to succeed, and to live with purpose. Remember, even when you fall, your subconscious lifts you up. Even when you feel lost, deep within there is guidance. Even when you feel broken, your inner life force is working silently to make you whole. That is the power of Chapter 7. The tendency of the subconscious is lifeward. Trust it, align with it, and you will discover new energy, peace, and confidence. Thank you for listening to this full chapter. If you found value here, make sure to subscribe to Page's Power so that we can continue this journey together. Your mind is your greatest healer, and your future is waiting for you.